equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. A clean interior can help improve the performance of your device. Now, locate the LCD assembly. You will find screws securing the LCD cover to the assembly. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. Be careful with the cables connected to the LCD. You don't want to damage them. If you need assistance, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the assembly. Ensure that all clips are properly seated. Once aligned, secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. After securing the new cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws to ensure everything is tightly secured. Finally, if you're unsure about any step or if you'd prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery if applicable, power on your laptop, and check that everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.